Guys, we got a killer deal on the installation driver. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting that like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more tool deals, price glitches. All right, so a lot of this is another different type of savings that they got going on. They call this the super savings. This one ends in 2 hours, I believe. This is the installation driver. So if you guys look at it closely, it does say M12 fuel. A lot of you already have this tool, but a lot of you don't, because this is a very unique tool. You can use this with cabinetry and all sorts of odd and weird angles and stuff like that. So this is the M12 fuel 12 volt lithium ion brushless cordless 4-in-1 installation driver. This is a 3/8 drill driver kit with 4 tool hits. So, like I said, this does come with the right angle, an offset, a regular drill, and then a driver collet. So it just depends on what you're. Right, and you can stick all these together, by the way, so you guys can use all these as well. So this does have 4.5 stars. It's actually a pretty good deal. It is the super savings. So this is going to be end up in actually 2 days, 15 hours, 37 minutes. So yeah, it's another special buy of the day or special buy of the super savings that they got going on. All right, so this is the deal here. So this is $199. Not the best deal, right? But you do get the free gift with purchase. There's how many in stock? There's 2,115 available. But in the stores, I suggest you guys pick up at the stores. It's much quicker. It's better. But it's up to you. All right, you can select from all these tools to get that for free, or you can get this promo or this hack. You got the M12 cordless compact blower. This was valid value at $99. You get the M12 lithium cordless brushless 3/8 ratchet, valued at $149. You can get the 12 volt lithium cordless electric portable inflator. This is going to be the smaller inflator. It's still pretty good for big tires, but it is going to be on the slower side. If you need something for off-road tires, 33-inch, 35s, 40s, whatever, you're going to want to get the bigger one. This one's great for cars, even for trucks is fine. So it's $119. You got the M12 cordless oscillating multi-tool. This one's $119. You got the cordless soldering iron. This one's valued at $119, and that's it. So, guys, here's the trick right here. So, if you want to get the installation driver kit, the cheapest, you do have to choose the most expensive tool here. However, if you want the tool, like you want this soldering iron specifically, well, get that soldering iron, and then you can return the installation driver. Or just keep both depending on what you need. But if you want a tool specific, then you do have to get that tool, and that's the only option you guys got to get a hack. But if you want the installation driver, the cheapest, choose the most expensive one, which is this ratchet. You're gonna select the ratchet. You're gonna add it to the cart, and you're gonna see what the pricing is. All right. So the installation driver is gonna drop down to $113. And the ratchet is going to drop down to $85. So that's a really good deal, guys. Definitely check it out. I'm going to see how much is the inflator, just to, So we're going to select that instead. All right, viewing cart. We're going to view that in the cart and see what's up. All right, if you guys noticed that the installation driver that went up in price, so that's not going to be your best bang for your buck on the installation driver if you want to hack this or return the other one. All right, so the inflator is going to drop down to $74. So that's a big chunk off of the $119. That's 37% off. So if you want any of those tools and you want to return the installation driver, this is the deal for you. Guys, I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of the video. It might be an affiliate link on the YouTube shopping cart. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell for more glitches, price deals, 2 deals like this, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.